Here I've got Motorola Moto E6 Plus, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to go down and select System. Go to Languages and Input, which is the first tab, and now select Languages. And here by tapping on Add a Language, you can pick the one that you would like to have your device in. As you can see, the list is pretty wide. We can pick, for example, Espanol from Bolivia, and now swipe it up to the first place to make it a default language. And that's it. As you can see now, the whole device is in Spanish, so you can use it this way. Then anytime you would like to change it, you will have to go to the system one more time, which is the last tab, then pick the first option, which is Languages and Input, go to Idiomas, which is for languages, and now you can either swipe up English, or by tapping on Add a Language, you can select some other language. If you would like to permanently delete Espanol, click on Remove, select this language, and then tap on bin icon. Confirm it by tapping on OK. And that's it. This is how you can change language in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.